So the last lesson ended in this position with the right hand playing 2 E flats and the left hand playing E flat, G, and D flat. Let's release the G and D flat and focus on these E flats because this next part is going to start by playing all E flats. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this finger to number 1, and I'm also going to play a lower E flat here with the pinky at the same time. So we'll try to remember this position because this is how we're going to start. So the left hand will play 2 E flats, then the right hand will play 2 E flats, and then the left hand is going to play 2 E's. That's 1/2 step up from the E flats. So we have, again, E flats, E's. And now after the left hand plays these E's, the right hand is going to play A flat with finger 2, B with finger 3, and then 2 E's. So we have, again. And then after the right hand plays these E's, the left hand is going to go back to the 2 E flats. And then we're going to bounce back and forth with the left hand playing them, the right hand playing them, left hand and right hand again. So we have, okay, one more time. So we have, and then back to the 2 E's with the left hand, and then the right hand is again going to play A flat, B, and then 2 E's. So we have, and then the 2 E flats in the left hand, 2 E flats in the right hand. Okay, again. Now from here, the left hand is going to move its pinky from this E flat all the way down to an A flat. After the left hand plays that A flat, the right hand is going to play an A flat with the thumb 1 octave higher. So the right hand is going to come all the way down to this A flat over here. From that A flat in the right hand will then play a B and then a higher A flat with the pinky. Fingers 1, 2, 5. So A flat with the pinky of the left hand, A flat with the thumb of the right hand, then finger 2 on the B, finger 5 on the A flat. Okay, from the beginning. And now we're basically going to play the same thing 1 octave higher, except we're going to use our thumb with the left hand instead of the pinky. So from here, thumb on an A flat 1 octave higher, and then the right hand is going to move 1 octave higher and do A flat, B, A flat again. So we have thumb, and then we're going to repeat that 2 more times going up the keyboard. The left hand will play thumb, right hand thumb, finger 2, finger 5, and then 1 more time. Okay, so from the first A flat, second one, third one, fourth one. And that's everything for today. Let's do it from the beginning. One more time, a little faster. And even faster. Okay, so now let's play everything from the beginning of the song, starting with what we learned in lesson 1 and finishing with what we learned today. Let's do it nice and slow. Okay, let's do it again a little quicker. One more time, even faster.